Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing video. This box is from Shake and Go. Thank you very much to Shake and Go for sponsoring our 1 million subscriber giveaway. I want to apologize because this giveaway is taking forever. I've been sick recently and I didn't feel like recording anything, but I did try to start packing everything. So this is what I have so far, and I'm packing 100 packages. Yeah, we're having 100 winners, so I start packing already, and I'll be packing these as well. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we have in here from Shake and Go. They did send me a list of what they sent me. The list is right here. They sent me a lot of products, so let's go ahead and open. Let me hurry. Oops. Let's see. Okay, this is not easy to open. Let me move the camera a little bit. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can notice, I haven't uploaded anything in the whole week. So I'm trying to recover. As soon as I recover, I'll be able to upload as often as I used to. I just need a little more time. But the giveaway, I'm trying to get it out of the way because we already reached an extra 40,000 people on top of that million. So it's a shame that that giveaway is not out yet. Let's see. Oof. This is a complicated box. That's the very first time I'm not able to open a box very fast. Okay, let's see what. Oh, what? Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, Shake and Go. Okay, let me turn it this way. And of course, it comes with a cover. Okay, that's a nice cover. Thank you very much, Shake and Go. Let me fix this. Oh, this hair is beautiful. Ooh. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Pre-stretched Nigerian braid 24-inch color OT30. It's very important for you to watch those unboxing video because when it's time to do the giveaway, you have to actually mention what hair you want. I may not be able to go over every single hair that I have, and everything will be packed by then. So it's important to watch those unboxing video. This is some beautiful hair, and this is light. See, and it is pre-stretched. The ends are super natural. Okay, and see how it flows. This is pretty. I like this. Thank you very much to Shake and Go. Let me see how many packs of this one I have. Okay, I have 6 packs of it, and you see each pack has 2 bundles in them, so 6 packs is a lot. This hair is very, very pretty. Thank you very much to Shake and Go. And here's the name again. Perfect. Next. Okay, next we have African Special Color Collection. African braid 48-inch. This hair is ombre. The color is OT60, and it's not pre-stretched. We're gonna have to do the stretching part in here, which is fine. Thank you very much to Shake and Go. Let me open and start feeling it and see how it feels like. Let me see if it says 100% Kanekalon. It doesn't say it. Let's get to here. Let's see. They normally like to say 100% Kanekalon. Okay, it doesn't say it, but I like that noise. So when the hair make that noise, To me, that's easy. Anybody can braid it. It doesn't feel like plastic. I like it when you make that noise, so this should be fine. It is super thick. We just have to work on the thinning part just to make the ends look super natural. Thank you very much to Shake and Go for this hair. I like this color. Let's see. Good. Okay, I counted 9 packs, but I'm sure it's 10. I probably missed one. So 9 packs of this one. Amazing. Thank you very much to Shake and Go. Let's see what else we have here. This is the same collection, different color. This is color OM3 Tea Peach. That's a weird name. But here's a, oh, okay, so this is 3-tone. Okay. And we have this here. So those two are different. A little bit different. See? Right here. Okay, my battery is about to die, so let me hurry up. Okay, this is the last one that I missed, the one that I couldn't see. That makes it 10 packs. So let's, okay. Ooh. 1B purple. Oh no, they called it OT Royal Blue instead of 1B purple. Okay. This is pretty, and I'm sure it's 10 packs as well. Oh wow. It's a lot of colors, a lot. Wow, OT 144. And I'm sure it's 10 packs too, because this box is very heavy. Wow. I'm gonna stop the video and open each color so you can see them close, because it's a lot of color. I expect to get all these. Let me show you what else I got, and then I'll show you the colors separately. I also have this crochet wig cap, and then this crochet wig with comb in it. So these are easy to make crochet wigs with. Thank you very much, Shake and Go. Let me check what else I got here. Okay, and they sent the wavy Gypsy Locks 18-inch. I've seen this hair all over Instagram. Thank you to Shake and Go. This is pretty. I like this. Thank you very much, Shake and Go. Wow, I like this. Let me hurry up because my phone is dying. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you very much to Shake and Go. I'll open the colors so you can see them separately, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is all the color that I've received from Shake and Go. I'm gonna show you those colors one by one, and there's one thing I want you to do for me. Let me know which color, because I have to make a video with one of them. Let me know which color you want me to make a video with. The other colors, I'll be giving them away, but I'll be making a video with one color. So let me know which color, okay? This is OT Burgundy, OT Berg. This is OM3 Cool Blue. OM3 Tea Cool Blue. Let's see, that's a 3-tone. This is OT Royal Blue. Oh, that's not a purple to me. Okay. And this is OT 613. And this is OT 144. This is OT Silver. And this is OMT Peach. Beautiful color. I think that's it. Yeah. So go ahead and look at the colors and tell me which color you want me to make a video on. I think it will be box braid or twist. I'm not sure yet. Stay tuned. I have one more unboxing video to do. With it'll be a bigger unboxing video, more boxes. I'll be packing this hair today, but as soon as you tell me which color to make the video on, Well, I just finished packing. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one, and hopefully I feel better enough to start filming.